Hello! In this section, I want to show you a problem. And I want you to find out why we are getting this problem. So I will create two child components, and then we will see what is the problem. So first, I create child. Now we will add a class. And we will create this class in child1.css and we will import it. So new file, and let's create child class, and here we will put and now we will use this inside app.js. Child 1 from, and now let's see if it's working. Okay, this color is red. Now let's create child 2. Let's simply copy it and change child 2, and child 2. So this is child 2. Now let's create child2.css. Blue. And child 2 is good to go, and now let's change it, and we see that this color is blue. Great. Now let's simply use them together. Child 1 so we're expecting child 1 to be red and child 2 to be blue, right? No, both of them are red. So this is the problem. And the problem is because both components use the same class name. Child 2 uses child class name and child 1 uses child class name, and the fact that this import child1 import child1.css and child2 import child2.css does not solve the problem. In the next lesson we will see how to solve this problem. Thank you.